I'm working on a 2019 Toyota 4Runner today, and I'm going to show you how you can update your map lights and your interior dome lights to LED using these diode dynamics bulbs. I'm going to have links in the comments and descriptions below, so if you miss any of these part numbers, don't worry, I'll have them there for you. But this is the bulb that we're going to use to replace the dome light here in the back. That is this one right here. And then we've got these two bulbs here that we're going to use to replace the map lights up here in the front. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how we're going to do that. On the dome light lens removal, there's actually 4 tabs that hold that in place. And I've already popped this side loose so we can see what those tabs look like. But you've got one there, one here, and one here. And I did that so it's a little bit easier to show you here on camera because it's hard to kind of do with just one hand. I recommend holding on to this lens while you put your pry tool up underneath there. You're going to be pushing inwards towards the lens. You want to get close to this area where that tab is when you try to push it in. If you're not holding that lens, it can fall out. So I suggest kind of putting a hand underneath there and put your pry tool underneath there, and then you'll pop these two. At least if you get 2 here in the back, it should just pull right out. Now that we've got the lens out, you can take a look at the bulb here, and I'm showing you that because I want to show you the before, what the color of that bulb looks like before we install this diode dynamics bulb here. This is the one that we'll be replacing it with. And when we put this in, these are polarity specific. So sometimes if you install it and it doesn't come on, you may have to take it back out and change it around or reorient the bulb. I've installed that diode dynamics bulb in here, and you can definitely tell a clear difference in the color. So it's definitely a bright white. It's not a bluish white, especially right now. This is in the daytime, so we'll check it at night to see what that looks like as well. But I would say it's a really nice white and should lighten up this area with a little bit more light than the factory bulb had done there. All right, we're putting the lens back on, and for me, when I go to put this lens back on, it's always easier to put this side in first, and then you're going to snap this front section back in where the switch is. We're working on the map lights now, and I've already changed this one on this side, and you can see what the factory bulbs look like on this side. So definitely a lot brighter light. It's not going to look real dark and dingy in here at night. So that's a really good swap. That's a really good indication to show you the before and after. Again, these are the ones that we're going to be replacing. Then I'm going to show you how to take this lens out because these are just a little bit tricky. On the map light, there are 2 hinges right here where it snaps in. And it may look like you need to take it off from this side. It's actually too difficult to do that. You need to actually pop it out of these 2 hinge areas right here. Again, using your tool so you're not marring up this area. I'm going to try to do this right here one-handed. I'm going to try not to drop this lens though. So I've already popped that one hinge out, and then you're going to turn to pop that lens out right there. And it should come down and out like that for you. The bulb is kind of deep in there, but I was able to kind of pinch it with 2 fingers and pull out. You may want to use a different tool if you're hard to get your hands in there, or find somebody that's got maybe smaller hands than you to reach in there and pull that out, but it should just pull straight down. So we've got both bulbs in, and like I mentioned, just double check the polarity on that. These diode dynamics seem to work in both directions, but sometimes if you didn't use this brand, you may use something else, and they may only work in one polarity or one direction there. So I'm going to go ahead and snap this lens on. You really want to use this tab right here to go back in that section first, and then you'll kind of feel it snap back into that pivot area, and then just make sure that your lights are still working there. This completes our map light and our dome light LED light replacement on this 2019 Toyota 4Runner. Hopefully you found this information useful or helpful, and if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.